Hi, I'm Moby Smart Cat, and today we have new Cubot X19 in quick unboxing and review. The X series is the best-selling and most popular for the Cubot company, as phones like X18 and X18 Plus were a big hit in 2018, mostly thanks to their good performance and very low price. So, what does new Cubot X19 bring? To supplement the new OS, Cubot equipped X19 with a modern 5.93-inch IPS LCD 18:9 display, and the Helio P23 processor, accompanied by 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, all powered by the 4000 mAh battery. As for the camera, there is a dual rear camera that consists of a 20-megapixel sensor, together with a 2-megapixel one, and supports phase detection, autofocus. The selfie shooter is a 13-megapixel, with a 4-piece lens, and beauty function. The device will come in 2 colors, a classic black, and a modern gradient, twilight color. Cubot X19 arrives in nice, plastic, and metal body design. This phone has fingerprint sensor and face recognition technology. What can I say? This phone is in lower segment, but is so well made, solid, shiny chrome frame, is simply fantastic. Here, it does not squeak as it is sturdy as rock. Simply incredible build quality, and the use of materials from which it is made. And this twilight color simply takes your breath away. The phone looks twice as expensive as it really is. The display is a story for itself. It's unbelievable how they have been able to build in such a beautiful display with colorful, gorgeous sharp tones, a display that would be worthy of a flagship device, and all this for such a low price. It is a 5.93 inches IPS LCD capacitive, multi-touch screen phone. Further, it sports 2160 by 1080 pixels of screen resolution. Furthermore, there are 16 million colors, and pixel density is 408 ppi. Other features are 2.5D curved glass, 78.6% screen-to-body ratio, and even more display features. There is dual primary rear camera setup, of 16MP, and 2MP, that comes with dual LED flash, and FHD recording. Additionally, at the front, the selfie camera is 8-megapixel, which comes without LED flash. However, the video performance in the device is 1080 pixel, and it looks great. The camera features in the phone are as follows: geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, autofocus, HDR, self-timer, white balancing, and others. The Cubot X19 also sports Android 8.1 Oreo as the operating system. This is planned to upgrade soon to the latest Android 9 Pie. In addition to that, it comes with MediaTek Helio P23 chipset, which comes with process technology, 16 nanometers, 64-bit architecture. Moreover, the CPU is 4x2.5 Octa-Core, Cortex A53, and the GPU is Mali G71. Cubot X19 comes with sufficient 4 GB of RAM. At the internal storage level, it has 64 GB space. It can be increased to 128 GB with micro SD card. There are 6 sensors in the phone, and they are accelerometer, proximity, light, compass, gyro, and fingerprint. X19 is supported by GSM, HSPA and LTE network. So it has 2G, 3G, and 4G, available for internet connectivity. This makes it a 4G compliant mobile device that has dual hybrid, nano SIM card slot. As you may expect, Network support are Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, headphone jack, and USB 2.0, Type-C. The battery is really good, with 4000 mAh battery, which will be enough for you 2 days of normal use. Cubot X19 official price is about $150. However, it is still possible to search online for the best price. The company's staff said that X19 will be the killer of all middle-end mobile phones. So, there is every chance for this unique handset to become a bestseller. That's all for now. For more news, stay tuned. And if you want this great phone, Cubot X19, at low price, visit the link below the video, and enjoy shopping. Bye.